Have you ever felt overlooked or undervalued in a relationship and want to know the secret to earning deep respect from any woman? Relationships are about mutual respect and understanding. However, many struggle with this fundamental aspect, especially when it comes to being respected by women. It is a common problem, but the good news is that it is solvable. By the end of this video, you will learn the key strategies to not only gain a woman's respect, but to maintain it. Number 12. Respect yourself. Understanding the importance of self-respect is crucial to gaining respect from women in relationships. It all starts with how you view and treat yourself. If you lack self-respect, it is unrealistic to expect it from a woman. This concept is rooted in self-knowledge and self-acceptance, which are key to nurturing self-respect. Remember, respect starts with you. When you respect yourself, you set a standard for how others should treat you. If a woman notices that you don't care about yourself, her respect for you might wane. You can't expect others to respect you if you don't show that same respect to yourself. When you look in the mirror, are you proud of who you see? Do you see a man who is responsible, working towards a meaningful future, and contributing positively to the world? If your answer is no, it is time for a change. Begin by being brutally honest with yourself. Take decisive steps toward the life you desire. Number 11. Always speak the truth. Honesty is a cornerstone in any relationship, romantic or otherwise. It is always better to be upfront and truthful, even if the truth is painful. If your lady finds out the truth from someone else, it can damage her trust and respect for you. Being honest and owning up to your mistakes is far more respectable than denial or deceit. If you make a mistake, instead of hiding it or lying, admit it. This action will show her your integrity and will help build trust. It will tell her that you value honesty and are willing to be accountable for your actions. In turn, this honesty fosters a deeper level of respect between you and her. Number 10. Be emotionally strong. Being in control of your emotions is key to earning respect from women. For instance, you are at a restaurant or a park and something goes wrong. If you lose your temper quickly, not only does it create an uncomfortable situation, but it also might make the woman in your life feel uneasy or even scared. This reaction can lead to fear rather than respect, which isn't what you want in a relationship. Being emotionally strong means handling tough situations calmly and maturely. It is about showing that you can face challenges without losing your cool. This strength is not just about suppressing emotions, but managing them in a healthy way. When you demonstrate this kind of emotional strength, it builds a foundation of respect and trust in your relationship. It shows that you are reliable and stable, qualities that are highly respected and admired. Number 9. Increase your value. To gain respect, you must continually work on improving yourself. This means increasing your value, both personally and professionally. You can do this by constantly growing and evolving. This could be learning a new skill, pursuing further education, or advancing in your career. These achievements show that you are dedicated to bettering yourself. When you are seen making progress in life, it sends a message that you are a person of high value. When the women in your life see this progress, it naturally increases their respect for you. They see you as someone who is ambitious, driven, and capable of achieving goals. Number 8. Set clear boundaries. In any relationship, it is important for both people to know and understand each other's limits and expectations. If one person prefers spending their day working while the other enjoys shopping, they should talk about it and understand each other's preferences. Knowing and respecting these personal boundaries makes it easier to maintain a healthy relationship. A man who sets clear boundaries is often more respected by women. This is because having boundaries shows that you know who you are, what you want, and what you will not tolerate. It is a sign of self-respect and confidence, which are attractive qualities. When you are clear about your boundaries, it also shows that you respect her limits, and this creates a mutual understanding and respect in the relationship. Number 7. Be independent. Being independent is a key factor in gaining respect in a relationship. When you make your own decisions and don't just go along with what everyone else thinks, it shows you are mature and capable. This independence is attractive in a relationship because it demonstrates that you are committed and serious about your life and your partnership. Men are often seen as pillars of strength, especially during tough times. Constantly complaining or showing frustration in a childlike manner can be a turnoff. It is okay to share your worries and frustrations with your partner, but it is important not to overdo it. Instead, try to maintain your composure and focus on finding solutions to problems. Showing that you can handle difficult situations with strength and resilience will earn you more admiration and respect from your partner. It is about balancing being open with your feelings and maintaining a strong, composed attitude. Number 6. Don't be clingy. Being too clingy can be a major turnoff and doesn't earn you respect. If you are constantly following your lady around, needing to be with her all the time, it can become overwhelming. At first, she might find it endearing that you are so attentive, but over time, it can feel suffocating. Remember, everyone needs their own personal space. Just because she is in a relationship with you doesn't mean she has given up her independence or her social life. If you are always on her heels, she might start feeling trapped and could react negatively. It is important to balance your affection with giving her room to breathe and pursue her own interests. Being less accessible sometimes can actually make your relationship healthier. It shows that you have your own life and interests outside of the relationship. This independence is attractive and can lead to greater respect from your partner. Remember, a healthy relationship is about complementing each other's lives, not consuming them. Number 5. Get a decent job. It is important to have a job and to be financially responsible. If you are currently unemployed, make an effort to find work and earn a living. It is not about having a high-paying or glamorous job. It is about showing that you are willing to work and contribute. Many men worry that a woman won't respect them if they are not in a prestigious job, but the truth is, the effort and willingness to work, no matter the job, are what are truly respectable. A woman will appreciate your dedication to doing what is necessary, even if it is not your dream job. It shows character, responsibility, and a sense of maturity. Being financially responsible and independent is an attractive quality that is likely to earn you respect in a relationship. Number 4. Be true to your word. If you commit to doing something, make sure you follow through. Whether it is showing up at a planned event or calling when you said you would, these actions matter. Women highly respect a man who aligns his actions with his words. When you fail to keep your promises, it chips away at her trust and respect for you. For example, if you promise to take her out, make sure you do it. Consistently fulfilling your promises shows your integrity and reliability. It demonstrates that you are a man of your word, and this quality is greatly admired and respected by women. Number 3. Stand up for yourself. In any relationship, it is crucial to stand up for yourself. If you are treated poorly or disrespected, voice your concerns. This doesn't mean you have to be confrontational or aggressive. If she is being unfair, mean, or rude, address it respectfully. Speaking up in these situations will earn you her respect. It shows that you value yourself and the relationship enough to protect it. Additionally, there will always be people who might criticize or speak negatively about your relationship. While you can't please everyone, defend your relationship when necessary. Ignoring those who insult or degrade your relationship isn't always the best approach. Standing up for yourself and your partner shows that you care deeply about the relationship and are willing to protect it, a quality that will undoubtedly earn you respect. Number 2, be a man. The phrase "be a man" can be controversial, but it is about embracing strength and confidence, qualities often associated with masculinity. Women are generally drawn to masculine energy, which doesn't necessarily mean being physically strong or dominant. It is about being confident, decisive, and assertive. If you lack these qualities, you might find yourself in relationships where you are not respected or valued. It is important to strike a balance where your strength complements her femininity and creates a harmonious and respectful relationship. Number 1, respect her. The most fundamental rule in any relationship is mutual respect. If you don't treat her with respect, how can you expect her to respect you? Relationships are about give and take. It is not just about what you can gain from them. To earn respect, you must give it. Respect her opinions, beliefs, habits, interests, friends, family, and feelings. Respect for your partner should also be maintained when she is not around. Speaking negatively about her or making degrading comments in her absence shows a lack of respect. If she discovers such behavior, it can lead to a loss of trust and respect. Conclusion: in relationships, it is essential for a man to continuously foster respect, love, and attraction. Mutual respect helps you understand each other better and strengthens the bond you share. When both partners respect each other equally, the relationship is more likely to thrive and withstand the tests of time. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.